Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is all about the recent trending and viral, super simple and super stylish Aalia cut outfit. Come on, let's get started. The detailed video on how to mark the perfect measurements for the neckline, armhole, bust, chest and waistline for XL size outfit is already given in my previous videos in my channel, so please check it out. Once all the measurements are marked, I will mark a point 3.5 to 5 inches above the waistline as shown here. Then I will connect this point as shown with a slight curve. Next, let's cut the back main and lining fabric in the same usual way how we do for other frock style outfits. Then I will remove the back lining and main fabrics and place the front main and lining fabric and cut it as shown. Detailed video on how to attach the shoulders and complete the neckline with the ruffle collar, how to attach a necktie is given as a separate video in my channel, so please check it out. Now let's focus on how to cut the skirt of the outfit. I will single fold my skirt fabric and mark the skirt width as 24 inches, hence the total width will be 48 inches. Now I will mark 4 inches line on the skirt as shown and connect it in a slanted shape. You can also give a curved shape if you like and cut it out as shown. You can decide on the preferred length of the skirt. I have taken it as 40 inches. Measure the length of the skirt from the line I have drawn. Next, I will do some thread gathers or pleats on the skirt and attach it with the top part of my outfit. I will take the same length and width of the front skirt to the back skirt, but without any curves or slanted cuts. I will just attach it to the top back part of the outfit as shown. Once it's done, it is very important to attach a lace to the curved waist cut so that the design gets more highlighted. I will repeat the same measurements for the lining skirt as well. Here's a small tip for you. Attach the main skirt and main top together and lining skirt and lining top together but separately. Then the seams will get sandwiched inside and you will get a neat finishing for the dress. Here I show it again. I attach the lining skirt and lining top together and the seams get sandwiched inwards. Next step is to attach the sleeves. How to cut the sleeves and attach it in an easy way will be available as another video, so stay tuned. You can add a waist belt to your outfit. How to make these cute fabric tassel is already uploaded in my channel. Please check it out. Now place the belt inwards as shown and stitch the sides of the dress. Finally, check if the skirt is having an even length and trim if there are any length differences, and double fold the hem and finish your gorgeous outfit. And that's it about this tutorial. Let's meet again on another tutorial. Until then, bye bye from Home Menu.